let's have a look at some data and some ideas around that. So first of all, we want to just remind you about data either being observational or being experimental. Okay, so observational is literally some kind of observation, and it's either the person in charge observing themselves or collecting information from other people. So it could just be straight observations. We could do interviews, we could do questionnaires, and we could do that online. So we can do like web pages when it pops up with a survey saying, can you do this? Or it could be an email version of it. Or you can create your own Google form, okay? Or we could look at pen and paper versions, okay? And just complete a survey of questions. Or a database. So that's like our KMA system where we record the student information. That is a database. So the stuff we've done in class is all observational so far. So let's have a look at cleaning data. So there are 3 kinds of problems that we would often look for. So one's where we know that there is a actual mistake. So for example, 2 + 2 = 5. If I've typed it, my data is 2 and 2 and I've added it together incorrectly to get 5, I know it's a mistake. And if I know for certain it's a mistake, then I will fix it. Okay, so that's when I would replace it and say, right, I'm going to change. I know that that's wrong and I'm going to make that into a 4 instead. Okay, I could have incorrect units. So I could have written down 5,000, meaning 5,000 centimetres rather than 50 metres. All right, so sometimes getting the wrong units will happen. Or the third one is that there's missing data. And so you can see there that there are just questions that people have just chosen not to answer for whatever reason, okay? So in terms of your puzzle, you've got missing pieces in there. So those ones I just have to leave blank, all right? If I'm certain the data is wrong, then I will fix it. But if it's not, I'm going to leave it as it is.